What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Hopefully you guys can hear my voice good, if at all any. But before we get started, I would love to give a huge thanks and special spotlight or shout out to sparkfarms22. Sorry, I kind of forgot about that name. On YouTube, he kind of is like my inspiration, and he helped me through, getting this. Unfortunately, this is how you're gonna have to view it. I'm going through where I'm trying to change my settings, but it's a whole thing. So yeah, I can save my caches, and then it'll be like full screen for you guys. But yeah, let's get into it, and I'll explain to you what everything is. And this is my first official Farming Simulator 25 video. So let's get into it. Sorry again if you guys can't hear it. It's probably because of the microphone. But yet again, this is my first one. And so I'm kind of learning all the basics and stuff. So unfortunately, there's not going to be audio for this video, fortunately. And over there's an ongoing project of my lumber sawmill, lumber company, I guess, too. Yeah, and right here, we're just going to drive. And look at that ground deformation. I love what Giants did with that ground. It honestly looks so good. It's a big improvement from fs25, because I only started playing that like in its last couple months before Farming Sim 25 obviously came out. So yeah, I'm not too good, and I'm not too used to, like Farming Sim, as it says. Yeah, let's just skip a little bit. Skipped a little too far. Okay, and right here we got, sorry if there's like tractors and vehicles all over it. I'm kind of in the middle of like organizing it all into sheds. But as you saw, there was a decoration on the outside. There's one of my 3 power washers, my not changing station, where I would like repair my vehicles or customize them, and a machine shed, one of my 2 machine sheds. There's the other one over there. And there's some more vehicles. I'm gonna get into vegetables like carrots and stuff. And yeah, there's the sunflower silos. Here's my John Deere planter or seeder and my John Deere harvester. And over here's where I'm gonna store my grass equipment. And over there, if you can see it, there's my silage harvester with the trailer. So right there, I'm storing my bale trailer where I collect them. Over here's my chaff and silage storages, because they can't go in the silo for like some unknown reason, and I'll show it here in a minute. Yeah, right there, I can't go in there for some reason. I really don't like that, but like, it is what it is. And I got a bale storage right here. And I guess now we're driving over to my house that I built. I like what I did with the house, honestly. It's probably one of my best house builds, other than in Silver Run Forest on fs22. That's probably my favorite. Here I got a big sunflower, and then this way signs from the sunflower farm on River and Springs. And then I got a garage here with and there's my side harvester, my second, and that's my 3rd power washer. There's my International CV. There's my nice house. It's probably my favorite house. My Skoda and my trailer. Over here I got a shed, and in it is my John Deere lawn tractor. And any mod you see will end up being on all platforms, because I play on Xbox Series S. And over here there's my silage harvester, and over here I made a little lake with some boats and stuff. And yeah. And over here, right there will be carrots. Right there will be my wheat, and then those 2 will be probably some carrots. Oh, and I'm sorry, but like the top 3 fields, I meant that's gonna be corn. Yeah, I kind of messed up there. Those 3 fields will be grass. That one will be our silage one. And this is for my lumber company and stuff. Right, there's some tree fields that I need to buy, but right now I own some. As you can see, I kind of don't. I have 5 million, but I don't really feel like buying them yet. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in for my first official Farming Sim 25 video. Again, a special shout out to sparkfarms22. He's my inspiration, and he helped me get through this all. So, thank you guys for tuning in.